Welcome to Vintage American Cars. Today, we're showcasing some of the most iconic classic cars and trucks you can own, from sleek Mustangs to powerful Chevys. Let's dive in and check out these incredible rides. 1963 Chevrolet Impala sedan 4-door, $45,000. First up, we have a stunning 1963 Chevrolet Impala sedan in green, inside and out. This car has been fully restored, so everything works 100%, from the engine to the transmission. It comes with a 350 V8 engine, paired to a 700R automatic transmission and air conditioning for comfortable cruising. The interior is sharp, with a clean music system and fresh upholstery. What makes this Impala special is its attention to detail during restoration. The body panels are straight, paint is flawless, and the interior is spotless. It's perfect for anyone who wants a reliable, show-ready classic without compromise. Two, 1966 Ford Mustang convertible 2-door, $25,000. Next, check out this beautiful 1966 Ford Mustang convertible finished in red with a black interior. Under the hood, it has the classic 289 V8 paired with a fully rebuilt automatic transmission. This Mustang also comes with power steering, power brakes, and a power top. The mechanical components have all been refreshed, ensuring it drives like new. While the body is in great shape, it could use a paint touch-up, or you can simply enjoy it as is. The interior has been fully redone with a new top and upholstery. This car perfectly blends classic Mustang style with comfort and drivability. 3. 1963 Ford Thunderbird Sport Coupe 2-door, $75,000. Here's a real showstopper, the 1963 Ford Thunderbird Sport Coupe. Only 37 of these were ever made, and this particular example is number 2. Fully restored and updated, it comes with manufacturer parts warranties. Powering this Thunderbird is a massive Merlin Gen 3 540 engine with high-performance internals paired with a 6-speed hyper-pneumatic transmission. It also features air ride suspension, Mustang 2 front end, Lambo-style automatic doors, 20-inch rims, and a custom stainless engine bay. The interior is original and luxurious, with all Cadillac-era options, including AC and power windows. This is more than a car, it's a rolling piece of automotive history. Number 4. 1972 Chevrolet Nova SS Tribute, $45,000. Next up is a 1972 Chevrolet Nova SS Tribute, built with precision and dedication. Everything on this car is either new, rebuilt, or reconditioned. The 383 stroker engine has only 161 miles since installation, paired to a BorgWarner T10 4-speed manual. The rear end is a GM 12-bolt fully inspected with new gears and bearings. All sheet metal, glass, wiring, and interior components are brand new. With tilt steering, power steering, new dual exhaust, and Black Widow mufflers, this Nova drives like a dream. It's extremely fast and essentially feels brand new, a true labor of love from its builder. Number 5, 1978 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 Coupe 2-door, $15,000. Finally, for part 1, we have a 1978 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 Coupe, finished in vibrant red with a matching interior. This Camaro is powered by a monstrous 468 big block engine, paired to a TH350 automatic transmission with a Hurst quarter-stick shifter. It runs and drives exceptionally well, with tons of power and brand new tires. This Camaro is built for the street, a perfect mix of classic styling and raw performance. It's a head-turner for sure, and a great example of the late 70s muscle era. Six, 1970 Ford Mustang Coupe, 2-door, $25,000. Up next, we have a 1970 Ford Mustang Coupe, finished in eye-catching yellow with a black interior. This car is a big-tire roller setup, built for performance and style. It comes with a solid roll bar, ladder bars for extra traction, and a clean, straight body. The interior is nice and original, giving it that classic late 60s Mustang vibe. This Mustang is ready to hit the streets, making it an ideal choice for enthusiasts who want a vintage muscle car with plenty of presence. Seven, 1972 GMC C10, $20,000. Here's a classic truck to add some utility to your collection, the 1972 GMC C10 with a 67 front clip. This short wheelbase California truck has a 350 V8 paired to a 350 automatic transmission. The truck was restored over 20 years ago, and while it may need a full restoration for show quality, it runs great and has minimal rust. The body and chassis are solid, making this a fantastic project truck or a dependable vintage driver. Eight, 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Convertible 2-door, $25,000. Next, we have a sleek 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Convertible in blue. This classic rides on solid floors with no rust underneath. The car runs well and everything works except AC. It's a simple, clean, and reliable classic, perfect for weekend cruises or enjoying the open road. The convertible top is in good condition, and with a little polish, this Cutlass could easily become a show-ready ride. Nine, 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air, $45,000. Check out this beautiful 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air, a true resto-mod classic. Finished in black with a gray interior, this Bel Air has been stored in an enclosed building to preserve its quality. It's been updated for modern driving while retaining its classic charm. A perfect example of a vintage American car that combines style, performance, and reliability. Whether you're a collector or a casual enthusiast, This Bel Air is sure to impress. (10) 1977 MGB Midget Sport, $14,000. Finally, we have a fun and sporty 1977 MGB Midget Sport in hunter green with a brown interior. This little British classic comes with a brand new interior, fresh exterior paint, and a new engine with only 1,300 miles on it. It's a lightweight, nimble roadster, perfect for cruising back roads, weekend drives, or car shows. The MGB Midget is a great entry point for anyone who wants a classic sports car with style and personality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest classic American cars and trucks. See you in the next video on Vintage American Cars.